If Chrome is giving you a login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account without wasting time. We'll start with the most common causes first, then move into a few deeper checks that usually solve the problem. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's begin with the first step, clearing Chrome cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes because old or corrupted browser data can stop login pages from working properly. Open Google Chrome on your computer, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. Change the time range to all time so Chrome removes everything that may be causing the issue. Make sure you check cookies and other site data and also check cached images and files. Once both options are selected, click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. In many cases, that alone will fix the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to test is Incognito mode. This helps you find out whether the issue is being caused by an extension, a setting, or something stored in your normal browsing profile. To open an incognito window, press Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. Then visit the website where the login error is happening and try signing in again. If the login works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your Chrome extensions or browser settings is interfering with the login process. That's a very helpful clue because now you know the browser itself is likely the issue, not the website. Now let's move on to disabling Chrome extensions. Extensions are useful, but sometimes they can break login forms, block scripts, or prevent pages from loading correctly. To manage them, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of everything installed in your browser. Turn off all extensions first, then go back to the login page and test it again. If the login starts working, one of those extensions was the problem. At that point, re-enable your extensions one by one, testing the login page after each one until you find the extension that causes the issue. Once you identify it, you can leave it disabled or remove it completely. Next, check your date and time settings. This may sound minor, but an incorrect system clock can cause login errors, certificate problems, and website security issues. On Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time automatically. Also make sure your time zone is correct for your location. If the time is off by even a little, some websites may refuse to log you in. Once you've confirmed the settings are correct, go back to Chrome and try again. If the issue still isn't fixed, the next step is to update Google Chrome. An outdated browser can cause bugs, compatibility problems, or login failures on modern websites. To check for updates, click the three-dot menu in Chrome again, then go to Help and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install any available version. If it updates, restart Chrome completely and try logging in one more time. Keeping Chrome updated is one of the easiest ways to avoid browser errors like this in the future. Finally, check whether the website itself is down. Sometimes the problem has nothing to do with your browser at all. A site can have server issues, outages, or login service problems that affect everyone. Open your browser and search for Down for Everyone or Just Me. Then enter the website address and check the result. If the site is down for everyone, then you'll need to wait until the service comes back online. But if it says the website is working for others, then the issue is on your device or browser, and the previous steps in this video should help you fix it. So to quickly recap, clear your cache and cookies, test incognito mode, disable extensions, check your date and time, update Chrome, and verify whether the website is down. These steps solve most Chrome login errors fast and safely. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific Chrome error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.